Gut Health Dietary Fiber Powder Pouch Packing Machinery is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Machine Company. This machine including functions, main packing machine, powder hopper, film input, touch screen, date printer, bag making device, vertical sealing device, horizontal sealing device, cutting device. Machines are controlled by PLC system. This machine can accomplish forming bag, measuring, material filling, sealing, counting, date code printing, all the work automatically. Photoelectrical system, trace system, and computer system can be provided with your specific requirement. VFFS powder packaging machine are made of SS304 and SS316L. We provide OEM service and overseas service.